The Illinois Green Schools Project is an annual sustainability action and recognition program for K-12 schools in Illinois. We help educators engage students and school stakeholders in hands-on projects that help improve health, efficiency, and environmental impact. The program runs August to May, and along the way, school green teams receive one-on-one mentorship and support from an assigned Green Schools mentor, a simple planning framework called the IGSP Sustainability Workbook, an invitation to apply for a mini grant of up to $1,000 to help cover project costs, various free professional development opportunities, and a chance to win an award for significant sustainability achievements. So how does it work? At the beginning of the school year, a staff or faculty member forms a green team of students, staff, and other faculty to progress through 3 program stages. During the assess and design stage, the green team is introduced to their Green Schools mentor, a volunteer from the Illinois Green Alliance membership network who has real professional experience working in the building industry and a passion for sustainability.
I thought it was a perfect opportunity to kind of combine my passion for education and sustainability and pass that forward, and it definitely was, yeah.
With help from their mentor, the Green Team completes our 3-chapter sustainability workbook to help them assess their school's current sustainability practices, learn more about their building's infrastructure and utilities, and then apply their findings to design a project that works for them.
Having this expert come in and help guide them with these things and push back against some of their ideas and give them other ideas, and it's added a lot of depth to the project that wouldn't have been there otherwise.
Schools that complete all 3 chapters of the workbook are eligible to advance to Stage 2 and apply for a mini grant of up to $1,000 to help cover project costs. We've funded rain barrels, solar-powered charging stations, composting materials and service subscriptions, art materials, and more. Funding is awarded based on the project's connection to our program's mission and the quality of the application. Then schools get to work bringing their projects to life. Green teams bring together students, staff, faculty, community members, local experts, and representatives, and more for volunteer days to install grant-funded updates. They create educational videos and artwork, present to school boards, all while unlocking student leadership opportunities, building student confidence in their ability to enact change, and inspiring a culture of sustainability within their schools.
The spoon and the package can go in the compost bin.
At the end of the school year, green teams share their outcomes by submitting a project report. Project reports include details about the planning of the project, stages of execution, participants and their roles, outcomes, and impacts. These reports are reviewed by a volunteer panel of judges, and schools can win awards and trophies. Using these reports, we also craft a 1-page project profile for each school that summarizes everything the school accomplished. To wrap up the program, we host a statewide virtual Illinois Green Schools celebration and invite our award-winning green teams to present their projects live to an audience of other participating schools and the greater Illinois sustainability community. IGSP inspires student leadership, brings communities together, and uses the betterment of our schools and our environment as an opportunity for learning and developing stewardship values within our young scholars. So come join our statewide K-12 community of passionate changemakers. Whether you're bringing sustainability to your school for the first time or want to ramp up an already existing effort, we want to help you advance down the path to net zero.